Deportado y no representado.
Our app aims to educate Latinos in the United States about the laws that protect them, the way to become a citizen, and reviews of lawyers who are both fraudulent and helpful. This app would help them better understand their rights and prepare them for any unlawful challenges that they may face.
This app is a free app that will give Latinos tips to prevent them from being deported, such as including step-by-step instructions to obtaining the citizenship that they well deserve. There will also be links to other apps that will be helpful to their needs and better understanding of receiving citizenship in America. While very often Latinos get arrested for petty crimes and even deported when they have not committed a crime, it is because they do not receive experienced lawyers who are reliable and willing to help them understand the law. In this app, there will be direct contact numbers, profiles, and reviews to lawyers who are both inexpensive, perhaps free, and ecstatic to fight for Latinos who get in unfair situations. For the viewer's convenience, the app will also include profiles and reviews of fraudulent lawyers. Usually, court-appointed lawyers are overworked, underpaid, and have little experience and therefore do not care about who they are representing. Unfortunately, many Latinos who come to America are poor and cannot afford a good lawyer, but this app will help them find one just right. Not only are they poor, but they are usually uneducated about basic laws. Deportado y no Representado app will include tabs that will direct them to Miranda rights and the Bill of Rights, which will be helpful if they are ever arrested. Also, there will be tabs that will give them the opportunity to select the state in which they live in and direct them to several laws that the particular state abides by. This helpful app will be in both English and Spanish to help Latinos as best as it can.
Latinos coming to the United States have influenced American society in such a way that demonstrates the lack of attention society gives them. Latin Americans are willing to become citizens of the United States, but they are either faced with laws or a long case of decision, paperwork, and years of patience for them to become a U.S. citizen. Even families that come to the United States want to provide their children a better future and be provided an education. Young Latinos and Latinas have a low possibility to attend college due to state immigration laws. Fortunately, programs and acts such as the DREAM Act are functioning to give them a guaranteed education and attend college. Statistically, Latinas have been targeted by immigration over time. These actions have been blamed on immigrant population being criminals and committing crimes, but instead it is quite the opposite. In fact, statistics show that over years, more and more Latinos have been deported based on nonviolent crimes. In some cases, they are found innocent and justified unfairly. Out of all the ethnic backgrounds that can be deported, Latinos are mainly targeted. It is unfair to promote an idea of freedom and not provide it equally towards the diversity and different types of people.
The I'm Being Arrested app is a free app focused on helping immigrants notify friends, family, and attorney if they are detained or arrested. It also provides users with information about their Miranda rights and have an attorney present during questioning in English and Spanish. The app will also send photos and video to a web interface for the contacts to access. The app My Lawyer Legal Advice is an app focused on helping people get legal help, possible representation, and have their questions answered by lawyers for free. They also have the opportunity to have a lawyer and work on the case as well. The app Deport Your Neighbor was developed in Kansas. It starts with a bias questionnaire that determines whether immigrants are living in the neighborhood. It also uses sources as Google Maps to locate addresses and inspect pictures of the property.
As you can see, our app is like any other. There are multiple apps that are against deportation, but none actually geared towards helping immigrants. Our app will focus on making sure the immigrant population, preferably the Hispanic community, into learning more about their rights and helping them actually stay away from being deported. Over the years, Latinos have been deported more than any other foreign nationality. Our app will help make sure immigrants are up to date on policies and laws to prevent the abuse of power towards the Latino population.
Thanks for watching!